Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips and tricks to make your online life easier. Today, we're diving into how to link Rakuten to PayPal. If you're a fan of cashback rewards, this is a game changer. Rakuten is that awesome platform that gives you money back on your everyday purchases, and PayPal is the secure, convenient way to handle payments. By linking the two, you can seamlessly transfer your earnings without any extra hassle. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts for both Rakuten and PayPal, and that they're both active and in good standing. This process is straightforward, but always double-check your details to avoid any bumps along the way. Step 1. Log into your Rakuten account. Head over to the Rakuten website or app and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Account Settings, or Payment Methods, section. It's usually found in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Step 2. Look for the option to add or link a payment method. You'll see PayPal listed there. Click on it to begin the connection process. Rakuten will prompt you to log into your PayPal account, so go ahead and do that in the pop-up window. Step 3. Authorize the link. PayPal will ask you to confirm that you want to connect your accounts. Review the permissions. They're typically just for transferring funds, and hit Agree or Authorize. This step ensures everything is secure and above board. Step 4. Verify the connection. Once linked, Rakuten should show PayPal as your preferred payout method. Test it out by checking your Rakuten earnings and opting to cash out to PayPal. If everything looks good, you're all set. One quick tip. If you run into any errors, like login issues, make sure your passwords are correct and that you're using the same email for both accounts. Sometimes, clearing your browser cache helps too. And there you have it. Linking Rakuten to PayPal is that simple. This setup can save you time and help you maximize your rewards. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.